What if I told you that right now, today, there exists technology that can turn an ordinary person into something superhuman? We're not talking about some distant future. This is happening right now in labs, hospitals, and battlefields around the world. The era of real-life exoskeletons isn't coming, it's already here. Subscribe now and let's dive into the future of human potential. To truly understand how this tech is reshaping lives, we need to begin with a simple question. What exactly is an exoskeleton? At its core, an exoskeleton is a wearable machine that enhances human physical capabilities. But today's models are so much more than just metal frames. They're sophisticated robotic partners that move with you, learn from you, and amplify you. There are three main categories revolutionizing different fields right now. First, powered exoskeletons that use motors and batteries to actively boost strength. Then there are passive systems, no motors, just brilliant engineering that redistributes weight. And finally, hybrid models that combine both approaches. But here's what's truly groundbreaking. Modern exos aren't one-way systems. The best ones use advanced sensor arrays to create a feedback loop with your nervous system. They don't just move you, they learn how you move. The science of superhuman strength. The magic happens through a combination of cutting-edge technologies working in perfect harmony. High-torque electric motors provide instant power when you need it. Hydraulic systems offer brute strength for heavy lifting. And AI controllers make thousands of micro-adjustments every second to keep movement smooth and natural. Tactile sensors read your muscle activity before you even complete a movement. Gyroscopes and accelerometers track your balance. Some prototypes even use EMG sensors that detect electrical signals directly from your nerves. The result? A seamless merger of human intention with machine execution. It's not about replacing human capability. It's about removing biological limitations we've accepted for millennia. Real-world revolutions happening now. In hospitals worldwide, medical exoskeletons are performing what many patients call miracles. Stroke survivors regaining mobility, paraplegics standing for the first time in years. The psychological impact alone is profound. When someone who's been told they'll never walk again stands up and looks their doctor eye to eye, in industry, these suits are preventing countless workplace injuries. Back injuries alone cost billions annually. Exoskeletons could eliminate most of them. Workers report less fatigue, more productivity, and careers that last decades longer. The military applications are staggering. The U.S. Army's TALOS project aims to create full-body exosuits that enhance strength, provide ballistic protection, and even monitor vital signs. Special forces could soon operate longer, carry more gear, and survive injuries that would stop anyone else. The future. Mind control and moral dilemmas. The next frontier is direct neural control. Researchers at Johns Hopkins have demonstrated exoskeletons controlled purely by thought using brain implants. Non-invasive versions using EEG headsets are already in development. But with this power comes serious questions. Should athletes using exoskeletons compete in the Olympics? Could this create a new class divide between augmented and unaugmented humans? If a soldier in an exosuit commits a war crime, who's responsible? Perhaps the biggest question, in a world where augmentation is possible, will it remain optional? We may face societal pressure to enhance ourselves just to keep up. These aren't hypotheticals. We'll need answers within this decade. Our augmented future. Within our lifetimes, exoskeletons could become as commonplace as smartphones. Imagine a future where construction workers lift beams all day without strain. The elderly remain independent into their 90s. First responders carry earthquake victims to safety unaided. This isn't just about technology. It's about expanding human potential, redefining disability, possibly even evolving what it means to be human. So, I have to ask, in this coming augmented age, where will you draw the line? Would you wear one? Should everyone have access? The conversation starts now. Leave your thoughts below. If you found this glimpse into our augmented future fascinating, hit subscribe. We're just getting started exploring how technology is reshaping humanity. See you in the next one.